Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most refreshing fruits out there. We'll cover 1. What watermelon is and what's inside it nutritionally. 2. 10 easy watermelon dishes you can add to your daily diet. Let's get started. Watermelon is a large, juicy fruit that belongs to the gourd family, Cucurbitaceae, the same family as cucumbers and pumpkins. It has a thick green rind, usually striped, and a bright red or sometimes yellow sweet watery flesh. One of the most important things about watermelon is that it's about 90–92% water, which makes it extremely hydrating and low in calories. Watermelon might seem like just sugar and water, but it actually contains several helpful nutrients. Low in calories, about 30 calories per 100 grams, which is relatively low compared to many other sweet snacks. Carbohydrates and natural sugars. It does contain natural sugars, mostly fructose, so it tastes sweet, but still stays fairly low in calories per serving. Vitamins. Vitamin C supports immune function and acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin A, beta-carotene, important for eye health and skin. Small amounts of B vitamins, which help with energy metabolism. Minerals. Potassium helps with fluid balance, blood pressure regulation, and muscle function. Trace amounts of magnesium and other minerals. Antioxidants. Lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives red watermelon its color. It's linked to heart health and may help protect against oxidative stress. Citrulline, an amino acid that may help blood flow and reduce muscle soreness. Water and fiber. Very high water content and a small amount of fiber, which together can help with feelings of fullness. Now that we know what's inside a watermelon, let's talk about how to actually eat it in ways that can fit into a daily balanced diet. Here are 10 simple dishes or food fusions using watermelon. These ideas help you enjoy watermelon throughout the day without relying only on plain fruit slices. To wrap up, watermelon is a hydrating, low-calorie fruit rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It can be used in many creative dishes, from salads and smoothies to popsicles and savory soups. It can support weight loss efforts by replacing higher-calorie snacks and desserts, but it should be part of a balanced overall diet, not the only focus. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves watermelon. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite way to eat watermelon? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.